Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a sheet and preparing structure. Open Google Drive or type Sheets. New to launch a blank file, name it and pick a folder. Once done, freeze the top row so headers stay visible, then assign column types like date or number to avoid later errors. Make sure to enable offline access if you'll work without internet. These first steps reduce rework and keep data consistent as you move into formulas and sharing. Now populate rows and structure logic. Paste or import data, then use split text to columns to fix delimiters. Once done, convert ranges to named ranges to reference easily. For calculations, use SUM and average for aggregates, and choose index plus match or VLOOKUP for lookups depending on column layout. Make sure to add data validation to prevent bad entries and conditional formatting to highlight important values. These rules help you spot issues quickly and keep the sheet reliable as it grows. Finish by sharing and automating. Click Share, assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles, and explain expectations in a pinned comment. This preserves control. Once collaborative, build macros or simple app script functions and add triggers to run daily or on edit. If something breaks, open version history to restore, use formula auditing to trace dependencies, and inspect cell error messages for common fixes like #ref or #n/a. One tip: duplicate the sheet before big changes so you can revert instantly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.